Hi Sagittarius, welcome back to my channel. This is your daily love tarot reading, Sagittarius. For your general energy, Sagittarius, we are picking few cards. If you want more clarity in your situation, guys, you can watch the pick a card love reading that will come right after this general energy, guys, Sagittarius. So we have 6 of wands in reverse, 10 of cups in reverse, and empress in reverse. So with these cards in your situation today, guys, maybe for some of you, you may get involved in some kind of an important decision. Maybe you are helping someone to make some important decisions in their life, or you are maybe supporting them, guiding them in some way to see the truth in certain situations. So your experience and your knowledge is helping that person, guiding them in whatever way possible for them to see the truth or what is the right action today, guys, Sagittarius. And maybe for some of you, it may be your energy or this person's energy. They are quite stressed today, sad today. Maybe things are not as it is, as they have hoped or as you have hoped. So you would have trusted someone, but they are not reliable. So it is giving maybe that false hope you had on this person. That is what is troubling you. So you may be worried or stressed. This may be the energy with this person you love. So you had high hopes on them, believing their words, but today you know the truth. So maybe your trust has been broken, and that may be the reason for sadness, stress, or sorrow. So it may be in your career also, guys. So maybe some projects or some deals, whatever you have wished for yours, so they have broken your trust or that faith you had, or it may be some projects or some financial deals, whatever you were expecting to give that positive return. So that has gone bad. So some kind of delays or suspensions today. That may be the reason that you may feel stressed or sad today, guys, or it may be something to do in your connection in this love. So you have learned the truth about them, what is there in their heart of hearts, and this truth is simply breaking your heart. That is what I see, guys. If you want more clarity, Sagittarius, you can watch the pick a card love reading that is coming up right now, guys. For your love reading, guys, it's going to be like a pick a card. This is your first deck and this is your second deck. So whichever pile comes to you first, you can close your eyes, think about your situation, or just be quiet for some time, and then open your eyes and choose the pile that comes to you first. So that way the reading may resonate, guys. So I will start with this card after a few seconds. Okay, guys, so let's start with the first set of cards here. So we have Ace of Suns in reverse, Two of Moons, and Lady of Suns in reverse. So with these cards in your situation today, guys, maybe today in this connection you have this may be your energy or this person's energy, so that love and compassion is there in this connection, kindness is there in this connection, but you cannot trust them totally because maybe for some of you they have their own ideas. Something is there in their mind. Maybe they are here in this connection because they have few things to say or say to you, or maybe their past has somehow what to say, making them really stressed, and they are here in this connection because they have left few things unsaid to that person, and maybe with this person they are kind to you sometimes, but suddenly they are bursting out harshly. So it may be because of their past, something is clouding their mind. That may be the reason they are behaving in such a way, guys. So with this person you may have that you may feel they're kind sometimes, but sometimes they are not. So you cannot have that total trust on this person, guys. But I also see that this card here, it is a very positive card. So maybe their behavior, maybe they have some preconceived notions about this relationship. That may be the reason they are behaving in such a way. But in this connection there is a possibility for marriage and a positive relationship. So if you are patient enough, you can wait till things sort out on its own, guys. So any problems that you're having today in this connection, all that is going to be reducing, guys, for you. That is what I see with these cards, guys, for those who have chosen this card, the first deck. That is the reading. So for those who have chosen the second deck, let's see what are the cards. So we have 10 of water, magician, and hermit. So in this love, in this connection, you very well know in your heart of hearts, not only your love or whatever intentions you have towards this person, that is not enough. You need some kind of intuition or inspiration, some kind of guidance, but that is there in your connection today, guys. So something is pushing you towards some choices today in your situation. So something you are thinking about something, maybe some important decisions need to be made today. So that is essential for your growth in this connection, guys. And maybe for some of you, you are changing the way you perceive this love, perceive this connection. Your perception is different. Maybe you understand what this person is feeling right now. You may have a clear understanding, a clear perception today, guys. So you have that acceptance in your heart today. Maybe certain things may not go right, certain things may go well in this connection, but whatever it is, you have that acceptance in your heart. That may be the reason that you are happy as you are in this love, in this connection, guys. So things may not be going as expected, but I see peace of mind and happiness because you have that unconditional love towards this person, guys. So that is the reading with this card, guys. Thank you for watching. If this reading resonates, please like and comment. I'll be happy to know your suggestions. I will see you tomorrow with another reading. Bye, guys.